this is Chef Courtney here. Welcome to Chefing with Courtney, another episode. I'm going to do a copycat video today. A new burger that came out from In-N-Out called the Flying Dutchman. Looks pretty interesting. Instead of using regular buns, using sliced onions as buns, and going to do some bacon and cheese. I'm just going to do my own twist on it. So this is going to be the Flying Dutchman my way. When I come back, we'll get started. Okay, welcome back, folks. Like I said before, Flying Dutchman burger, brand new burger that came that In-N-Out burger made. I love In-N-Out burger. I used to live in Arizona. We used to go there a lot. I mean, they got some of the best burgers on the planet, in my opinion. So I'm gonna do my take on it. You know, I'm gonna do my version of it, and see what happens. But before we get started, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment, share it. Let me know what you think of the recipe when you try it. Try the recipe out. Let me know if you added anything, took anything away from it. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I got in here, we'll go over the ingredients. Like I said, all you're gonna need is, the sliced white onion. You're gonna slice it, just into pieces. This is coming apart here, but that's all right. Just slice it into pieces because this is going to be your actual bun. A little bit of salt, pepper, smoked paprika, and I got some patties that I formed here. I didn't buy these for them. I formed them with this. We've had this for a couple years. Just a little patty former. You can make like quarter pounder size burgers with it. The traditional way is to use some like smash burger, but I'm gonna do it a different way. So, and plus it's a little healthier. I know we're frying the onion and everything like that, but we're not using the carbs that we would use for the bread. So, and plus I got a special treat. I got some of my burger sauce here. If you want that recipe, my burger sauce, you can look at my smash taco video. I'll have the ingredients on that video. So, all right, so I'm heating up some olive oil, and I'm just gonna add just a little bit of butter, and we're gonna go ahead and fry these onions first. Okay, get them nice and brown because we're gonna use that as the bun. And the good thing about that is that you can actually season the onion and give your bun more flavor. So what I'm gonna do, so it's going to take my first side, put that in there, turn that up a little bit. Okay. And I don't know if we can probably do all four of these. I tried to make the patties the same size as the burgers or the onions, because you're going to get a lot of shrinkage. So I'm just going to go ahead and season these. A little bit of salt. Okay. A little bit of black pepper. Turn this up. And a little bit of paprika for some color. A little bit of flavor, not too much. And then we'll just season it the same way on the other side. Okay. Okay, so we got our onion buns done, and as you can see, they got 2 slices of cheese on each one. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook my burgers. The object that I'm finding out is to cook your onions at an even temperature, not too fast, not too slow, okay, so that you don't burn them. All right, you kind of want them to get soft and translucent a little bit, and they will break apart. I mean, it's an onion ring, so you're probably gonna have some issues with the onions. So, I mean, it is what it is. So, but now we're just gonna go ahead and get our burgers, our meat fried up. Okay, so once I get these done, I will come back and I will build this burger for you, and we'll see what happens. Hey guys, welcome back. So, got our burgers done. They're just about done. I kind of like mine on the medium rare, medium well side. So, what we're going to do is turn this down, and we're going to go ahead and build one of these bad boys and see what happens. All right. So, first thing we're going to do, going to go ahead and put down an onion, the bottom bun. Okay. As you can see, I already got my cheese on there, 2 slices of cheese. All right. Just going to top it with some of this extra special, delicious burger sauce. All right. And my spatula, here we go. And I'm going to take one of these jokers, put that on top just like that. Then we're going to take a couple slices of bacon, like that. Take a little bit more of this sauce. Put a little bit on here. Okay. And then I'm gonna do a flip. Boom. That's it. That is the burger, the Flying Dutchman. I almost forgot it, but yeah, that's the Flying Dutchman burger. Looks pretty good though. Looks pretty good. So do me a favor, go ahead and try this burger out. You can make it any way you want. Like I said, if you want to try the sauce, then you can go to my smash taco video, and the sauce recipe is in there. But I want to thank you guys for joining me today. Pick up your chef apron, the straight chefing apron. It's on sale right now with the code word chefing. You will get 15% off of my straight chefing gear. I'll put the link in the description section. So I'll see you next time, and thanks for joining me.